Germany is a land steeped in history where enchanting castles rise majestically from lush landscapes, each telling a story of its own. From the romantic spires of Neuschwanstein to the medieval charm of Heidelberg, these iconic structures are not just architectural marvels, they are windows into the past, reflecting the rich heritage and cultural tapestry of the nation. In this video, we invite you on an engaging journey through 9 of the most captivating castles to visit in Germany. Prepare to be transported to a world of fairy tale allure, where legends come alive and adventure awaits at every turn. Whether you're a history buff or a travel enthusiast, these castles offer a unique glimpse into Germany's vibrant culture and the timeless stories that continue to inspire visitors from around the globe. Number 1. Neuschwanstein Castle. Nestled in the Bavarian Alps, Neuschwanstein Castle is the epitome of fairy tale architecture, with its soaring towers and intricate details that seem to leap from the pages of a storybook. Commissioned by King Ludwig II in the 19th century, this enchanting castle was inspired by Wagnerian operas and medieval romanticism, reflecting the king's fascination with art and fantasy. Ludwig's vision was to create a sanctuary that embodied his ideals of beauty and escapism, making Neuschwanstein a symbol of his legacy. Today, it stands as one of Germany's most popular tourist destinations, attracting millions of visitors each year who come to marvel at its breathtaking beauty. Additionally, its stunning backdrop has made it a favoured filming location for various movies, further cementing its status as a cultural icon that continues to inspire awe and wonder. Number 2. Hohenzollern Castle. Perched atop the Swabian Alps, Hohenzollern Castle boasts a strategic location that has made it a formidable fortress throughout history. Its medieval architecture, characterized by towering walls and intricate towers, reflects the grandeur of the Hohenzollern dynasty, which played a pivotal role in shaping German history. This castle served as a residence for various kings and princes, symbolizing power and prestige for centuries. Visitors to Hohenzollern are rewarded not only with a glimpse into the past, but also with breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. The area offers numerous hiking trails, allowing adventurers to explore the natural beauty that envelops the castle. Whether you're captivated by its rich history or eager to experience the stunning landscapes, Hohenzollern Castle is a must-visit destination that promises both adventure and insight into Germany's royal heritage. Number 3. Heidelberg Castle. Perched majestically on a hillside overlooking the Neckar River, Heidelberg Castle is a stunning testament to the romantic ruins of Germany's past. Its picturesque setting provides a breathtaking backdrop, making it one of the most photographed castles in the country. This iconic structure played a significant role during the Renaissance period, showcasing a blend of architectural styles, from Gothic to Renaissance, that reflect the evolving tastes of its time. Visitors can wander through the beautifully landscaped gardens, which offer a serene escape and stunning views of the surrounding landscape. One of the castle's most famous features is the Heidelberg Tun, a massive wine barrel that symbolizes the region's rich viticultural heritage. With its enchanting atmosphere and deep historical roots, Heidelberg Castle invites travelers to explore the romance and grandeur of a bygone era. Number 4. Schwerin Castle. Set against the serene backdrop of Lake Schwerin, Schwerin Castle is a breathtaking example of neo-Renaissance architecture that captivates all who visit. Its stunning turrets and intricate facades reflect the beauty of its picturesque lakeside setting, making it one of the most photographed castles in Germany. Historically, the castle served as a seat of government for the Grand Duchy of Mecklenburg and continues to play a vital role in the region's cultural life, hosting various events and exhibitions throughout the year. The castle's expansive gardens are a delight to explore, featuring beautifully manicured landscapes that invite leisurely strolls. Inside, visitors can admire impressive art collections, showcasing works that span centuries and highlight the cultural significance of this magnificent site. With its rich history and enchanting surroundings, Schwerin Castle is a true treasure of German heritage. Number 5. Lichtenstein Castle. Perched dramatically on a cliff overlooking the Eschaz Valley, Lichtenstein Castle is a stunning example of neo-Gothic architecture that evokes a sense of fairy tale wonder. Its picturesque towers and ornate details create a striking silhouette against the sky, making it a favourite among photographers and travellers alike. The castle was inspired by Wilhelm Hauff's novel Lichtenstein, which romanticised the idea of chivalry and adventure, adding to its enchanting allure. Historically, it holds significance as a symbol of the Württemberg dynasty, showcasing the region's rich heritage. Visitors to Lichtenstein Castle are treated to breathtaking scenic views that stretch across the lush landscape, while the surrounding area offers numerous hiking trails for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're captivated by its storybook charm or eager to explore the natural beauty nearby, Lichtenstein Castle promises an unforgettable experience. Number 6. Nymphenburg Palace. Nymphenburg Palace stands as a magnificent example of Baroque architecture, showcasing opulent design and intricate details that reflect the grandeur of its era. Nestled within expansive gardens, the palace offers a serene escape with beautifully landscaped grounds, fountains, and picturesque pathways that invite leisurely strolls. Originally built as a summer residence for Bavarian royalty, Nymphenburg served as a retreat for the Wittelsbach family, where they could enjoy the beauty of nature and host lavish gatherings. Today, the palace is home to impressive museum collections, including exquisite porcelain, historical carriages, and stunning artworks that narrate the rich history of the region. Visitors can explore the lavishly decorated rooms and learn about the royal family's legacy, making Nymphenburg Palace a captivating destination that beautifully blends history, art, and natural beauty in one enchanting location. Number 7. Burghausen Castle. Burghausen Castle is renowned for being one of the longest castles in Europe, stretching over a kilometre along a ridge overlooking the town of Burghausen. Its impressive fortifications and architectural features reflect its strategic importance throughout history, serving as a vital stronghold for the Dukes of Bavaria. The castle played a crucial role in regional defence, particularly during conflicts with neighbouring territories, making it a significant landmark in the area's history. Visitors to Burghausen Castle are rewarded with stunning views of the Salzach River and the picturesque landscape that surrounds it, providing a breathtaking backdrop that enhances the castle's allure. As you explore its well-preserved towers and courtyards, you can truly appreciate the historical significance and beauty of this remarkable fortress, which stands as a testament to Bavaria's rich heritage and architectural prowess, that captivates visitors with its stunning medieval architecture and commanding views of the surrounding landscape. Number 8. Mespelbrunn Castle. Nestled in a serene forested valley, Mespelbrunn Castle is a hidden gem that exudes tranquility and charm. Its idyllic setting, surrounded by lush greenery and a sparkling moat, creates a picturesque scene that feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Built in the 15th century, the castle has a rich history, having been preserved remarkably well over the centuries, allowing visitors to experience its authentic medieval atmosphere. The architecture showcases a delightful blend of Gothic and Renaissance styles, with charming turrets and ornate details that enhance its beauty. As you wander through the castle grounds, the peaceful surroundings invite you to relax and soak in the natural beauty. Mespelbrunn Castle is not just a historical site, it's a tranquil retreat that offers a perfect escape from the hustle. The castle's architectural features, including its grand Renaissance design and imposing ramparts, reflect its strategic importance as a royal residence and military stronghold. Number 9. Castle of Wartburg. Explore the historical significance of Wartburg Castle, a remarkable fortress that played a pivotal role in the life of Martin Luther. In 1521, Luther sought refuge here, translating the New Testament into German, which greatly influenced the Protestant Reformation. Recognized for its cultural importance, Wartburg Castle was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1999, celebrating its architectural beauty and historical legacy. Visitors to the castle are treated to stunning views of the surrounding Thuringian forest and the picturesque town of Eisenach below. With its rich history and breathtaking scenery, Wartburg Castle offers a fascinating glimpse into Germany's past and its enduring impact on society. In this journey through Germany's enchanting castles, we've explored the unique features and historical significance of each magnificent site. From the fairy tale charm of Neuschwanstein Castle to the serene beauty of Mespelbrunn Castle, each location offers a glimpse into the country's rich heritage and captivating landscapes. The majestic architecture and storied past of these castles invite travelers to immerse themselves in a world of romance and adventure. As you plan your own exploration of these stunning sites, remember the allure of discovering Germany's hidden gems. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share with fellow adventurers. Your support helps us bring you more captivating stories and travel inspiration. So join us on this journey to uncover the wonders of the world.